Hey guys, it's Locs is back, and today I'm going to be talking about a possibly unexpected source of buildup. Let's get to it. Okay, so it is a fact that there are, for those of us that practice good hygiene, which I hope is all of my subscribers and anyone who watches this video, we know that we need to wash our clothes. We need to wash our undergarments. We need to wash our bed sheets. But there are certain articles of clothing that at least I, as a dude, I don't necessarily think about washing as often as maybe I should. For example, a tie. How often, come on guys, how often do you think about having your tie dry cleaned? Another example, a pair of gloves. How often do you wash gloves, or how often do you think about washing them? And another thing that I didn't think of until recently is my night headgear, whether it's the dread sock or the satin bonnet. I have to admit that I didn't think about washing that with any sort of regularity, because I only wear it at night, right? But after thinking about this, I'm like, this could also lead to product buildup in my locks. So think about, when you oil your scalp, you moisturize your hair, you spray it with whatever water, and then you seal it in with whatever sealants, whatever oils you're going to use, or whatever oil mixture you want to use, right? You put that on your hair, right? And then at night, you put your, let's say, dread sock on. So you have that contact between your locks and your dread sock. It is only logical to assume that some transference is going to occur, right? From the dreadlocks to the dread sock. Alright, also think about the natural oils that are being excreted, right, from your head. And also think about the dead cells that are coming up from your scalp. All these things are being collected by whatever you're putting on your head at night. Your dread sock or your satin bonnet, whatever it is sort of acting as this filter. It's catching all of these particles. So it's catching all these particles, and if you're not washing that with any sort of regularity, it's just getting clogged up and it's going to continue to catch all of those aforementioned things, the oils and the dead skin cells and all that. And it's just nasty to think about, right? So you don't wash it, but you're putting it on your head every night. Once again, there's contact being made between your locks and the satin bonnet or dread sock, and so transference is surely occurring. Now, when you think of product buildup, I know, you're probably thinking of it like being on the inside of your locks, the interior, right? But that's not the only place buildup can occur, as is evidenced by the fact that when you usually wash your hair, when you shampoo for that first time, you usually don't build up a good lather. Why? Because there's all this dirt and oils that are on the surface of your locks that the shampoo has to break through and clean away. So it is possible to have buildup on the outside of your locks, even if when you look at your locks, you don't necessarily see it. This is just something that I thought about recently, and I'm like, you know what? Because you guys understand, as fellow lockers, it is our mission in life, first, to keep lint out of our hair, right? That's one. But two, to avoid product buildup. That's like a no-no. It's like our kryptonite. Like, we can't handle that. If you get buildup in your locks, for a lot of us, we feel like it's just game over. So I was thinking about all the ways that I could get product buildup and how I could avoid it, and that's how I stumbled upon this topic. So hopefully, I don't know, maybe you guys aren't like me. Maybe you wash your dread sock or your satin bonnet religiously, but I know, me being a dude, I didn't really think about it before. But I definitely am aware of it now, and definitely will be washing my head gear with regularity, so that I can rule out one more potential way of building buildup in my locks. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. As always, please SSLC, subscribe, share, like, and comment, and I will see you in the next one.